At the point when you become a parent, you have an extraordinary obligation to your kid's future. That obligation doesn't accompany a handbook on the most proficient method to raise legit, sorts, bold, thoughtful, courageous, and energetic kids. 1. Pay the same regard to a boy or a girl. They are equally your child. Ought to regard both the same. They are equivalent and deserve the same respect. This regard is the quality you certainly need to impart to your kid. 2. Never hesitate for even a moment to commit an error or a mistake. Gaining from the errors of others is an ability that not very many have. To fail is human, to learn is heavenly. Show your child not to fear misfortune and to commit errors. 3. Intelligence and knowledge are a higher priority than grades. Never scold your child for grades that do not match their wishes. Rating is not an indicator of knowledge. Maybe your son is just cheating. As a child, the idea is that intelligence and knowledge are much more important than grades. 4. Your parents are your friends. You can continuously look for their assistance. Show your child that he or she can trust you. Scolding or yelling is not the most ideal way to make it happen. 5. Always be prepared to go to stand up for yourself. Parents often teach to respect teachers or elders. Let him know that respect is significant, yet it is likewise important to communicate his perspective and present his point of view accurately. 6. Try not to do something which you do not like for the sake of others. Your child should not believe that being famous is not the most important thing in life. Show him with your example that it is more important to be honest than sacrificing your principles. 7. Always ask questions if you don't understand anything. Asking questions is nice and it's much better than sitting down making an idiotic face, not understanding a single word in reality. 8. Let your teacher or parent know if you don't feel great. Bad grades nor an angry teacher should not be the reason why your child is afraid to express that he feels bad. Health is above all. And it is better that you explain them. 9. Care for the animals and environment. Teach your child love for animals and that nature should be stirred. You should begin with yourself and set a model. Just for this situation will the outcome be apparent. 10. Teach your child to say no. Teach your child to say no. Whether to elders, instructors, friends, or even yourself. Since you are raising an individual, not a subject who should constantly comply. The capacity to say no is something your child will require in grown-up life.